All right, hello. I just wanted to do a quick video about drill bits. I know that drill bits are pretty basic, but there's different points to different drill bits for different jobs. I do acrylic and wood. So this right here, this is a normal drill bit. And if you look at the angle, hold on, I got to get it in focus. There you go. So you can see the angle right there. Now, a brad tip is what you want to use for wood. So let me grab the brad tip. So if you're doing a wood blank like this and you need to drill it out for your pen or for your bottle stoppers or whatever it might be, a brad point is like this. See how it goes down and then it comes back up, and this basically, these points on the side prevent it from wandering. So when you're drilling through, it's not gonna wander around and egg shape the hole. And then you have your acrylic tip, which you can see this tip is actually a lot pointier. It's sharper. And when you drill out your acrylic, this is an acrylic blank. It already has the sleeve in it. But when you're drilling this out, it's not going to get the acrylic hot, so that way it's not going to egg shape your hole that you're drilling out. And that's it. So there's different types of bits depending on what your job is. If you want to drill out acrylic or if you want to drill out wood. Acrylic bits are not going to get the acrylic hot, but brad tip will, and then vice versa. If you use an acrylic bit on wood, it's not going to actually drill it very well. It's going to screw it up. So just be careful of what drill bit you have and make sure that you have the right one for the right job. That's it. Oh, by the way, if you like my channel, hit the like and subscribe button. My name is Rich, and this is Light Street Creations. That's it. Thank you. And how do I turn this thing off?